I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue channel. Yesterday, I was getting yet more Happy Mail ready to go, and our printer broke. That's how much Happy Mail we're sending. No, actually, it was a really good printer. We've had it for years. Darren and I both use it a lot. So we went to Walmart to pick up a new printer, kind of spur of the moment. They had it, we needed it, we went. It's about, what, how far, Darren?
35 miles, 35 minutes.
Yeah, 35 minutes. So while we were there, because we live in a very small town, and there's a lot of small towns around, and why they have Walmart, and if you have Hobby Lobby, not many have Joann's. So I wanted to go in Joann's, and I mean, we were at Walmart, so I want to show you what we got. Before I show you this haul, I'd like to show you something I made from a haul that we did at a flea market. This is Josie, and a lot of you know that I have horses, and I love horses and Western wear and all that goes with it. And I made her this little outfit, and I just thought she was cute and wanted to show you. If you remember, I bought a couple of these stretch rings, wondering if they would stretch out for a Blythe waist, and they did for her, and I'm really tickled. So she's going to stand here in her little haul outfit while I show you this. First we went to Joann's, and my husband is so cute and supportive. I'm looking at the Halloween print, and he went over and found this. It was a little free gift. It's a roll. Hope these didn't come off somebody's toilet paper. Okay, I'm just kidding. I am kind of funny about toilet paper roll crafts. I'm not against it. It's just, it's just weird. But he brought this over. He's like, look, these are free, and it's a roll craft. But look at all this stuff you could use for other things if you wanted to. How cute is that? So we got one, and then they gave us a 20% off next week's purchase. We probably won't go back, but I just thought that was really cute. So I wasn't going to buy any fabric because I don't need any fabric, but I thought I'd look. Yeah, you know how that is.
Filled the cart.
What?
Filled the cart.
Yeah, I did. I had all these bolts of fabric in there. I mean, it was full. I didn't buy them all. When I got to the cutter, some of it wasn't on sale, as if they led me to believe. So if you go to Joann's, ask them how much it is per yard before they cut it, because some of the Halloween that said 25% off was not. This was in clearance, and I thought it was really cute, and it ended up being, I don't know, $2 something a yard. I thought that would be cute next year for Cinco de Mayo. You know, I like those lesser holidays, and we always try to have a good time. This was just over a yard, because if you get a remnant, in other words, if there's not a yard left after you're buying on a bolt, you get it for half price. So I got it for, I don't know, $1 or something. They have Nightmare Before Christmas fabrics, and I mean they have a ton of different ones. These are the two that I picked out. I have some others, and I'm probably going to do some mix and match. I chose the purple because I already had some purple, and it will mix and match, and I have some purple fabric. Y'all know I love bicycles. We're all about bicycles. And I needed some newsprint fabric, of which I did not find till I went back and found this. They didn't tell me they had it. But anyway, they had over a yard of this. I bought it too. It is flannel, which I can work with. It'll be all right. But it was $2.99 a yard, and then what was left on the the remnant at the end where they didn't have a whole yard left, I got for half price. I had to have this. I had to have this. I mean, I had to have this. Love it. There might be some pirate or skull challenges going out. So I got these 3. This one is glow in the dark. And this one too. Wasn't this one glow in the dark?
I don't remember.
But these 2, let's see. One of these was not marked down when I got to the, I think it was this one, when I got to the cutting board, and I was not happy. They had patterns on sale again. If you sew and you're interested in sewing for 11.5-inch Barbie dolls, or using these for your Blythe dolls or whatever dolls, get them now. I could not find except one in Hobby Lobby. They are doing less and less of these and more 18-inch. I bought these for Happy Meals. I have a lot of Happy Meal going out. Then we went to Walmart, and I'm just gonna stop saying it. Oh, I'm buying dolls. If I see them on clearance, if I need it for one thing or another, or if I'm at a garage sale and there's a good deal on something, I'm gonna buy it. So I'm gonna quit saying I'm not gonna buy any dolls. I'm gonna say I'm buying less dolls. But when they had the Rainbow High doll that I have been wanting, Bella Parker, yeah, that's right, I'll get it here. She was $10 and some change. She was the only one left, and she was the only one for that price. They did have Carmen for $21.88 still, and I have not bought it. I want the price to go down. So I threw a couple of fashionistas in my cart. I wanted one in particular because they had some on sale and it was really unclear, and Darren has that little app on his phone, God love him. And when I caught up with him, I had 2 fashionistas in my cart to find out how much they are. The one I went after is this one. I want to do some beginner crafters packets and do a beginner crafter video, and I want to know if there's anybody out there that is a beginner sewer that would be interested in joining in on this craft. Anyway, this is the one I was looking for. I already have 3, and I want to do witches outfits with her, and if you're interested, leave a note in the comments and we will have a drawing on those. So she was $1.99, less than $2. So I had to get her. And then my husband is so supportive and so wonderful. There was like this end cap display of fashionistas. He got every single one different, and he's checking it. He's like, this one's 5 something, this one's $7.97, this one's 6 something. This one was $1.99 also. So I got 3 of these. So I will have 1 extra for a beginner crafter. Again, if you would like to learn to sew or to craft for a Barbie doll, let me know in the comments, because that's why I'm buying these. I love to involve everybody, and I really like helping people get started with crafts and sewing, etc. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.